Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2014 Toyota Highlander with the V6 and the 3.5 motor. So we're going to go over how you'd replace your mass airflow sensor on this vehicle. So here is your air box, mass airflow sensor, and then this goes right into the throttle body. So if your mass airflow sensor, if you've got a engine code that's saying the airflow is out of sequence or out of range, this is where you would locate your mass airflow sensor. There are cleaners to clean them. They don't work half the time. Just buy a new mass airflow sensor, and also make sure you want to check that these fittings are tight and snug, and that you're because this is all communicating with the ECU. But if everything is tight and snug and you're still having issues, then you just go ahead and replace this and start off with that, right? So to replace this, we need to unhook the electric connector, right? Just by pressing it and then pulling it off. And then we use a Phillips screwdriver and unscrew the screws here. So with those screws removed, then we can just pull the sensor out, make sure that the rubber O-ring comes out with it. Okay, so we have our new mass airflow sensor, and we're just gonna put it back in, or put it in, and then you're just gonna wanna line it up, and then just kind of, if you rock it a little bit side to side, make sure that you get it in without pinching the O-ring, the new O-ring that was on there, so that you get a good seal. Then you can put the screws back in. And tighten those up, and then just make sure you connect the electric back up. Sometimes you'll forget to hook this back up. Say if you took this whole air box out, you're doing something with the throttle body or so forth, you forget to hook this back up, you're going to have some issues, and your fuel economy is going to go down. So that's how you replace your mass airflow sensor on your 2014 Toyota Highlander with the V6 motor. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.